I'm here to help you transmute fears, anxiety, traumas, trapped emotions. I'm a shaman, mental health counselor, high priestess. I'm a hybrid stellar races. It implies that my DNA is made of a lot of different galactic technology. Today I am tapping into some massive fears from the collective. If you're new, you should check my last video or the one before, as I release some massive codes, downloads, and activation. These activations are made to awaken your dormant DNA. And we just made a massive cord cutting, especially regarding the toxic mother bond you may have. And so if you're new to this channel, you might ignore that if you're not working on your traumas, unfortunately, they're the doorway of low vibrational toxic energy. But not only, if you're not going through the healing journey, you are not allowing your nervous system to relax, to rejuvenate, and therefore you might have some difficulty to manifest. Indeed, the nervous system has to be very quiet. You have to tap into your magnetic energy to be able to pull toward you what it is that you vibrate, what it is that you desire. So therefore, when you're still vibrating some fears, when you're still trapped into some toxic patterns, generational curse you inherited, some behavior, I'm hearing also behavior you don't understand how or why you're acting like that, but it's just your system as a computer stored everything. And it can also be connected to auto-sabotage, self-sabotaging, but mainly it is about, for example, when the universe is trying to deliver something, everything is ruined for some reason. And this is because the blessing cannot enter. There is a barrier of fears. So it's so important that you accept this healing journey to work on transmuting, alchemizing with the divine light, the divine fire, universal fire, these trapped emotions that are, I keep hearing, ruin your life. Yes, someone ruined it as a child. But I'm hearing it is your responsibility to work on it, because also it was your initiation, you see. So you gotta be grateful, even if it's extremely courageous to be, when someone literally ruined the childhood, the space where everything is supposed to be just light and joy and love. But there is a point where you have to literally just let it go. And what I'm hearing is let the tears go. You might be alone right now, and I know how it's difficult to be able to, I'll say, cry alone by yourself. But for some of you, I know this is your entire life. You've just been alone your entire life, and you just know this process of crying. Tears, sacred tears, are lifting the energy. But now I'm very drawn to tell you that there is some tears that wants to come out. And again, this is sacred water, the most powerful water of the body. In order for you to receive this blessing that is just around the corner, again, I'm having, it's like I'm tapping into the energy, you see, so the energy around you, I'm feeling this blessing around, you see, beyond the veil, I have the capacity to see this blessing. The only thing why it's not still in your hand is just because in order for you to receive, you have to let go of something within yourself. So, and that's the truth when my nose is itching. Again, for the biggest majority of you, it is just about if you are lucky and if you have a safe container around you, a partner, a friend, an animal, it can be, or just an element, can be go to see a tree or just the sea you see, just do it, please. And if you're alone, I love you. Please do it. Take your pillow and think about this entire lifetime and how brave you used to be. And connect to God, connect to Mother Gaia, and let her wash away your tears. I transmute this jealousy. I keep tapping into there is someone around again that has very hard time letting you go. This mother, this father you just cut the cord with, they want your life to be ruined. Please let go once and for all. Yes, they hurted you. Cry because they ruined, but they will not ruin a second more. So it's time to let it go. All of this pain, because this is the size of the blessing. It's going to come. Transmute it with the sacred fire. You see, it can come from a past life. Very interesting. You might carry within your DNA an actual past life. I'm hearing relationship or something. Maybe this person killed you or you killed them, whatever it is the situation, but there is some sorrow still connected to this person. It's time to let it go. Now, maybe next full moon or last full moon, you did this release and it's just want to be flushed out of your system. You see, connecting to the divine, feminine, goddess, magnetic self for you to receive. There is a massive shift. Cannot make this up. Release. It takes courage. But it's going to bring you to your soulmate. Or I'm hearing also this person could be a soulmate in another past life. And you're releasing this relationship, mother, son, daughter, sister. I don't know the bond used to be, but it's time to release. You're so beautiful. If you want to dig deeper, please check my website. I offer very powerful healing. I can help you transmute. Ara enenene di odoro. Ananana dere odoro. Adara helping you flush nsikia sa. Nikitiria sa. I want to see the real you. Nikitiria sa no to u adiri ina suunta. Idigidi iyo na. You're so beautiful. Until next time. Activate your Kundalini. Activate.